And today I'm going to share with you how you're able to fix your phone if you're running into any issues. Maybe your phone is slowing down, it's getting a little sluggish, maybe the battery is starting to drain quicker than it used to, maybe you just got done doing an update and it's causing a little bit of problems with some applications. So today I'm going to show you two things you're able to do to make your phone work a little bit better and probably hopefully resolve all of those issues. So this first one I'm going to show you is how you're able to fix your phone if it's kind of lagging, sluggish, if the battery is draining a little bit quicker, especially after an update. That just means that there's a lot of data, a lot of cache just being stored in between those updates that doesn't need to be on your device, which is causing some of those issues. So firstly, you just want to turn off your device. So once you turn off the phone, you wait till it goes all the way to the black screen. Then what you're going to do is press and hold on volume up, as well as the power button, and this is going to put you into the recovery mode. Now there's a lot of things inside of the recovery mode, so I'll show you a few things of what those do. But again, you just want to hold up on or press on the volume up as well as the power, press and hold both of them at the exact same time. Once the screen turns on, you'd actually be able to let go of both of them, and then it's going to put you into this recovery mode screen. Now, once you're inside of the screen, you have a bunch of different options. With you being able to go with the volume up and volume down, that's how you're able to move and select which one. So volume down just takes you down, volume up brings you back up one, and then hitting the power button is going to basically be the enter. So up here on the very top, you have this one that's called Reboot System Now. That's just basically going to turn it off and turn it right back on for you, go back to normal. You also have Reboot to Bootloader if you needed to do a little bit more, in-depth of diagnosis of your phone. Apply update from ADB, apply an update from an SD card. So if you store maybe an update on an SD card, this is how you're able to install it from the SD card. Here's that wipe data or factory reset. So this is another way that you can do a factory data reset. This is the one that I'm going to show you right here, which is the clear cache partition. This is just wiping all of the cache, all of the data that's sitting in between updates that doesn't need to be there, again, causing issues to your phone. And then you also have a few more down over here. You even also have a run graphics test, which kind of looks cool. I believe a couple of these here are kind of new here on Samsung One UI 5.0. You can also just power it off. And then you also have repair apps. So I haven't really played with a couple of these on here, but the most important one I want to show you right now is this option here, which is wipe cache partition. So once you use your volume button to go down to that option, you hit the power in order for it to go through with that option. Again, the power button is basically the enter. And then once you go down to yes, you do want to clear the cache partition, you just hit on the power button. It's done it for you. And so now you just reboot. It's very simple. Again, you just press and hold on the volume up as well as the power at the exact same time. When it goes to this screen here, you just let go and you go down to wipe cache partition with the power button being enter.